Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so right now I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Forex Titan EA for MetaTrader 5, and I can see that this expert advisor is developed by Faith Wairimu Karaoke, and it is designed exclusively for the MetaTrader 5 platform. The current version is 1.0, priced at $500 with 20 activations available. From the overview, this EA is presented as a modern algorithmic trading system that combines structured execution with adaptive logic. Now, it mentions that it was developed using a mix of trading principles like price action analysis and range breakout systems, along with AI assisted development tools. So now, scrolling through the description, I can see it is designed to work across all currency pairs, but it specifically highlights gold, XAUUSD, as where it performs best due to higher volatility and stronger price movement characteristics. It also mentions that while it can run on all time frames, the M5 time frame is recommended for more balanced execution and signal clarity. All right. Now, moving into the core structure, Forex Titan combines a few key components. First is price action analysis, which focuses on interpreting raw market structure. Then there is a range breakout system that looks for consolidation zones and potential breakout movements. And finally, it mentions AI driven decision logic, which is described as helping the system adapt to changing market conditions. I can also see setup instructions are kept quite straightforward. You install it on MetaTrader 5, attach it to your chart, preferably XAUUSD, set the time frame to M5, enable auto trading, and ensure the AI functionality is active in the settings. It is clearly positioned as a plug and play type of system with minimal configuration required. Now I'm going to move into the strategy tester to take a look at how the expert advisor behaves on historical data. So we are testing the Forex Titan EA on XAUUSD on the M5 time frame as recommended, and we are testing the EA over the past 5 months, okay, from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so that we can capture a reasonable data for the back testing, okay, working with this year's market conditions. Now, as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server and we are using the every tick modeling. Looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, there was no trade taken. And I'm just going to go to the journal right away, and I don't seem to find a specific reason why that while the backtest results are empty. But we're just going to turn on the visuals right away so that we can see the expert advisor in action. All right. So this is how the Forex Titan MT5 Expert Advisor looks like in action, right? We can see here the buy button, the sell, and then you can see the broker, the account number, the user, server, symbol, profit, balance, and equity. So looking at the chart during the back test, I just want to observe how the EA interacts with past price movement, especially around volatile and ranging periods. The logic appears to respond differently depending on whether the market is consolidating or expanding into directional moves, which aligns with the breakout and price action structure described earlier. All right. So when you go through historical data, it's worth taking note of the importance of testing over a longer period, because different market conditions actually will always affect how any algorithm performs. And if you are really interested in this expert advisor, I will recommend that you test it over a longer period of time. All right, perhaps a year or 2 years or even more, so that you can be able to capture a wide range of market conditions, and get a more comprehensive result from the back testing. Okay, so I like to recommend reviewing extended historical runs rather than just short samples. From a results perspective, it's important to remember that this is strictly historical testing performance, and it should be treated as such. Real world outcomes can vary depending on factors like broker execution, spreads, slippage, and your chosen risk settings. Okay, so overall, the Forex Titan Expert Advisor presents itself as a structured MetaTrader 5 only system that is built around price action, breakout logic, and adaptive decision making. And then before considering any live use, I would still recommend running your own longer back test. In fact, I would recommend that you don't just test it only on XAU USD, but you also test it on other currency pairs as well. Okay, because we can see that the EA is designed to operate across all currency pairs, and it is possible to see different results across different currency pairs. Okay, so I recommend that if you're interested in this EA, you can test it across different currency pairs, and then you can make your conclusion about which currency pair gave you a better result. All right, so run your own longer back test and then forward test as well, so that you can better understand how the expert advisor behaves under different market conditions. So if you learned anything new in this video, or if you found any value in it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.